Malik Saab and Safi Saab, Atta Saab. I take just 10 minutes. I'm sorry, the program is to finish this at 30, but unfortunately we started 10 minutes late. So I'm very punctual for the time. मैंने ये किताब जो तीसरी लिखी है उन लोगों के लिए लिखी है जो जिनके खानदान का नाम ना हो, जो किसी किस्म के सियासत विरासत में लेकर ना पैदा हुए, जिन्होंने अपनी सियासत का खोखा खुद लगाया हो, खुद सेंचा हो, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दुनिया में कोई ऐसी मिसाल नहीं कि अल्लाह ने, जिस पर मैं इमरान खान का भी मशहूर हूँ, कि मुझे 15वीं वज़ारत दाखिला जो है खुदा ने दी, जो कि एक पाकिस्तान का है। His Excellencies, I want to speak short. I know you are busy, and my relation with China is from the Chuan line. I was among the students who've been invited as the China Communist Party when I was too young, and I was in the building where I am as a Federal Minister of Interior. This is my 15th ministry. So I was child labor here outside this Lal Bailey. I was selling books, and I didn't born with any golden spoon or some political sport or relations and brotherlies. And fortunately and unfortunately, I have spent 7 years of my young life in prison. And all cases, because I was not sugar owner and I don't have a sugar mill. Although now I am well established, but when I started my politics, I was nothing. So I, with the help of God, introduced my politics by myself, and I am thankful to the all media of Pakistan, because I believe, and this I was fighting when I was with Musharraf, and I can say with a great confidence that to one or two channels to whom President Musharraf don't want to give the permission, I gave them. And I convinced him to give them lessons also. अब जो मुल्क के हालात हैं, मुल्क के, आप कहेंगे, अभी शामी साहब ने कहा, शामी साहब मेरे भाइयों की तरह हैं, मेरी क्लास से तल्लक है, हम सेल्फ मेड लोग हैं। और एक वो जमाना था कि शामी साहब के हफ्तरोजा के लिए बाहर लाइन लगा के खड़ा होना